Alright guys, today we are doing a review on this South Bend Compulsion. It is IM6 graphite and supposed to be superior performance. I got it because I love the way that the cork handles look. It's very minimalistic. It's black carbon fiber, it looks like, all the way down. It does have gold accents. It's got a 5-5-1 gear ratio and a 4-bearing system. Of course, I've got it spooled with my Crappie Max. That is the line of my choice. We're gonna give this thing a try. I paid $30 for this thing, so it's just a cheap rod and reel, and that's what we do, is we do reviews on cheap rod and reels and everything like that and see if they're any good. We're gonna be fishing in the Pigeon today. Hopefully we catch something. Let's get her set up and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we're just gonna use this little minnow looking thing. See if we catch something with that. I don't even know how easy it's going to be to cast, but we're going to try her out. Looks like somebody left some gunk down there. Looks nasty. Either way, she casted pretty smoothly with that little light bait on there, so we're going to try that out. Seems like every time I do a video down here, I hear fire alarms, emergency alarms, sirens. There goes the fire truck. Once again, popping it up on the bank. Now, I am thinking about going through. I've never done bait casts before, but I'm thinking about buying a bait caster. If that's something you guys would like to see me do a review on and a fishing video on, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it if you feel I've earned it. And hopefully we catch some fish. Might have to pull out some Helger mats. And you might hear like a lawnmower, weed eater, because someone that lives across the river on the other side's weed eating. Hopefully it's not coming through too much, but if it is, I apologize. A little turtle. I don't know if that was caught on video. It just came out the water, went back down. But overall, this thing casts amazing. Like, it's an amazing cast. And that's with just the little light setup I've got going on it. I've got a small jig head and then that little minnow. Well, plastic minnow. But it's not too bad overall. I mean, it's just a little South Bend pole. They are made in China. They used to be made in South Bend, Indiana. And then, like everything else in this world, it is cheaper to do it overseas, I guess. But just because it's made in China doesn't mean it's bad quality. It doesn't mean it's bad quality at all. Like I said, I'm really digging it. Oh, hey, we're coming over by those bubbles. There's somebody yelling down there. We're gonna go and we're gonna change it and go with a bigger setup so I can get a little farther across the river. And we'll be back. Alright, so we got us a little rage swimmer on there. We're gonna cast her out. Now that one's a lot heavier, which is what I wanted. That way I can get a little farther out. See, a lot farther out that way. Oh, we got a bite. Let's go over that way with it. But I'm digging this pole. $30, you can't beat it. It is a South Bend compulsion. Did we catch that? No, we didn't catch anything. We had a bite though. Oh, we did catch something actually. We caught someone else's line that they lost. So, I guess someone else has gotten stuck and they lost this. And out of all honesty, that could probably be my wife's. I'm gonna throw it down there for now. Let's get back in the water. I mean, we're making it halfway across this river, so $30 doing that, that's a good pull. Now, I haven't had to fight anything other than I did get stuck earlier. I had to break loose from that, but other than that, I mean, that was a fight, I guess, in a sense. This thing though, it rails pretty good for a little cheap 4-bearing system. I mean, I ain't gonna complain on it for that, because it's doing what it's supposed to. So I dig it. It's awesome. And this is a 6'6" two-piece pole. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I don't think I did. But I like it. And just, I don't know if you can see, but there is Christmas ornaments and stuff down here. That's still remnants of when Helene hit last year. So it's still pretty rough over here as far as cleanup and everything. Then you got a lot of people that come fish and just throw their garbage. This is also the area where you have a lot of homeless here in Newport. So, a lot of trash everywhere. We might end up trying to go down a little farther, down this way. Caught a crappie back in this area before. See a lot of bubbles over there. We're gonna attempt to cast down in this little shadowy place. High possibilities we get stuck in this tree. Like I said. Oh, we made it. We didn't get stuck in the tree. Now let's get cocky. Like I said. We'll do one more cast and then we're gonna head out. Overall though, I would say if you find this pole for 30 bucks, buy it. It's a South Bend Compulsion. They're normally a $60 rod and reel. For 30 bucks. I bought dumber stuff for 30 bucks. But that is going to conclude this review. I do like the rod. I do like the reel. For what it is, you can't go wrong with it. Justin Smoky Mountain Reviews, signing out.